Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, Junction City, Guaranty RV, to present to you this 2018 Newmar Ventana 3709 bath and a half with a 360 engine. As you know, Ventana means window. Let's peer through this one and look inside. Coming in, you'll see very spacious living quarters, a fold-out couch with the vinyl material on it. And then you have back here the Euro booth, very comfortable to sit in. You get your family in here, you can just kick back like this and it's just extremely natural. This does have the Newmar quality that we've grown to expect, the beautiful porcelain flooring right here. You do have a little fireplace over here for days like today when it's under 40 degrees. You have the televator with your TV directly across from the couch, Bose soundbar, and your Blu-ray right there. This is the wonderful cabinetry that they make, and I believe this here is that cherry wood, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Coming over here to the kitchen, you're going to have a convection microwave right here. Everything's covered in Corian countertops, so you lift it up, you got a 3-burner stove top. A bank of drawers below. Look at this feature right here. I love this. Slide out drawer so that you can access things very easily in the back. And again, the cabinetry, second to none. Back here, residential refrigerator, Whirlpool, excuse me, with the freezer underneath. A nice place to store everything you have right there. Now right behind you here is the door that hinges in the middle that gives you your half bath for guests as you're going down the road and you don't want them to come through your bedroom to get to the big bath. You have this little bath, and you can also access it when you're going down the road. Coming into the bedroom area, queen size bed. That's a full queen size, windows on the side, ventilation, looking out of, beautiful valances. Everything in here just very tastefully done. Nice big mirror, wardrobe mirror, so you can dress and make sure you look sharp. Across the way here, 32-inch TV, some wardrobes with a bank of drawers underneath. One exit window right there. Coming into the main bathroom, one of the really neat features that Newmar has is this door that opens up. Egress door, and so in the event of an emergency, opens up, ladder comes down, you get out safely. But for bathroom wise, you have a place right here to either store or put a stackable washer dryer. Nice little vanity area right here. Corner shower, very sizable. And then you have this area right here for full-length wardrobe, and you also have a safe in the back. This coach has so much, we're not going to be able to get through it all today, but I just wanted to give you a flavor of it. So let's go up front and see what it has to offer in the cockpit. So up here, this is a Cummins 360 with a Freightliner custom chassis, Allison transmission. You have levelers on this coach. This coach does have the backup camera, the side cameras, the navigation, Rand McNally navigation. It just has everything up here that you can want. You even got a place to put your phone to charge up right there. Here's all of our things at the touch of a button up here. It does have the Oasis heating system for your furnace and also hot water on demand. Automatic awning, everything you could ever want in this coach. This is an awesome unit. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer. So coming outside, Newmar has the paint jobs that are second to none. These are an absolutely tremendous finish, beautiful coaches. You're never going to lose any luster on that at all. You have an automatic awning over the slide topper. You have an awning over the door. You have alloy wheels. You're going to have all kinds of storage back here. I'll just open one of these bays. It's kind of there, you see that? It's a pass-through. And you can see right there, you do have the pull-out right there on this side also. So you have ample storage for anything you want to carry in this coach. You have an outside TV right here. Automatic locks for the slide outs. Pretty awesome. Now outside, here's that door that we saw on the inside. What a great idea. Newmar really cares about its customers. So you have a ladder accessing the top, so you can get at the air conditioners or the seals. Now this does have a full fiberglass roof on this coach. Very important. You have a backup camera. You have your tow hitch down here. Coming over here. Here, you know, if you can pan out and look at this full wall slide. These studs in this coach are 16 on center, and you can verify that by looking at the condensation on this coach. This is built like a house. This is a great unit. I love these baggage doors because you can get at them and you get under there without any problem hitting your head. Now there's your water base. So you have an automatic hose reel right there. This will have the automatic reel for your plug-in also. But it's all right there in a nice compact bay. Again, I believe this is the bay we looked through. Nope, there's your Oasis right there. That does all your heating of your house and your hot water on demand. This one right here will have the pass-through again from the other side. And those compartments underneath are lighted so that you can see in there when you open these doors. That's really nice. Then you do have a propane tank under here. Tremendous full wall slide. Right here you have your run bay. All your fuses and everything. Your pull for the front end where your generator's at. Side cameras. Coach is loaded. One of the last 18s we have in existence. Tell you what, if this coach is of interest to you or any of the coaches we have on the lot, please give me a call, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you for watching.